First, let's block a number. Find the number you want to block in your recents or contacts and click the Info button. Scroll down and click Block this caller. Next, you will be prompted to verify the block. Click Block Contact to finalize. Now let's head over to the blocked cell phone and see what it looks like when you try and contact the person who has blocked you. First, let's make a call.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
The blocked caller will be sent straight to your voicemail, and this would be their only indication that they've been blocked, by the way. The person can still leave a voicemail, but it won't show up in your regular messages. Instead, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the voicemail window and click on the Blocked Messages tab.
Hey, I was just wondering why your phone's not ringing. Could you give me a call back when you get this? Thanks.
Now let's send a text message. Delivered and read notifications do not show up on the blocked phone, and the message never arrives at your phone. The message just disappears and will never be delivered. Now let's try a FaceTime from the blocked phone. As you can see, the FaceTime will just keep ringing and ringing until the blocked caller decides to hang up.